Hey everybody. So in my previous video I did talk about custom tabs for custom object, right? But I also did mention that standard objects will already have those tabs as created for you, right? So in this case, accounts, contact, campaign, leads, right? But sometimes if you guys would like, or some companies would like to change those standard tabs, right? We want to, instead of leads, maybe they will have different names or convention letters. So in my case, let's say I have a company, instead of leads, I do want to name them something like perspective opportunities, or perspectives, right? So in this case, I do need to make sure I change the name of my standard object tab to perspective. So how to do that? Good question. So in order to do that, I have to go to setup. I have to click tabs, or in this case, rename tabs and labels. So this is where you find those tabs for standard objects, right? So the one which I am looking for will be leads. Leads, here we go. Let's go and click edit, and I'm gonna just say perspective for plural perspectives. Next. Okay, you also can change this fields, but let's just click save for now. Okay, hopefully this worked. I'm gonna go and search for sales app. Okay guys, I don't see the leads, but I do see perspectives, right? Let's search for in App Launcher, perspectives. Okay, cool. Okay, one more thing, guys. Let's go back to that section where we did rename our tabs and labels, right? In this case, we changed the leads, we renamed it to perspective. But what if you want to reset it, you change it back how it was before? What if you want to make sure you don't get confused and let's remove it how it was before? So it's very easy, right? You want to go back to that section, and then there's the next to edit, there's a button called reset, right? So originally it was leads, right? And we renamed it to perspective. But if I click reset, it should bring or reverse it back to leads. So let's search for it, leads, right? So I'm gonna look for sales app, leads. Okay guys, hopefully it's helpful. Basically in this video we did rename standard tabs to our other names, and then based on our business, and then we're also able to reset it back to how it was before. Thanks everybody.